More boxes. Yes. 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 This is from GameStop. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Action Comics. Funko Pop. So cool. Issue number 1. Alright, that's one. There's one more. Yes. Superman, the Infected. So cool. This is a build-a-figure. You're gonna be building the Merciless. So cool. Yes. Yes. All right, next one. This is from BBTS, Big Bad Toy Store. It says fragile, handle with care, of course. Ah, yes. This is a Sitara. It's an anime figure, A2. Ooh. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. I'm so happy. All right. So let's do this. Another one. Ooh, big one. This is from BBTS also. Big Bad Toy Store. And it's a big box. So let's see. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so happy. You're ready. sir. Ay, ay, ay. BBTS, my kind of store. Oh, look at that. It's McFarlane Multiverse. Superman versus Armored Batman. Yes, sir. Happy again. Okay, I got a Gundam World Heroes, and I gotta build it. It's a small one. This one is the vehicle for this one. So cool. And this is the most expensive. This is the Ghost Rider, and I'll feature this in a future short video. It's gonna be fun. I've seen this somewhere, and it's really fun. I got the Batman Ghost Rider. This is gonna take me like if I sit down and do this uninterrupted, it'll take me about a month to probably put them together. The painting time, finishing touches should take me about a week. I do have all the materials that I need, so I have the power to do it. Only thing is, if my mind is willing to do it. So that's a wait and see situation. I'm looking for the one I saw from the store. I think this one here. Sitara Kanishiya. And I hope it came with the stand too. Alright. Alrighty. It's customized Ghost Rider. This is gonna be fun. This is the most expensive, but it's an exclusive toy, so it is coin operated, and I'm excited to open this one here. So we'll see. Watch out for this one. I got the Gundam Heroes. And you see the on the right side the vehicle, and I bought that one too. This one here. So I just hope it fits the series model, and we'll see. Looks cool. I think it's the green one. And this is the big one. It's Multiverse Superman versus Batman. Armored Batman. This is a Dark Knight Returns comics series, and there should be a comic strip inside here. Looks cool. Dark Knight Returns. That's it. Oh, BBTS. Thank you very much, BBTS. Not about boy band. And this is the Action Comics issue number 1. The Funko Pop. Let's see. This is a mini Funko Pop. All right. Oh, it has a case too. It has the plastic case. That's cool. A display case. Superheroes. It doesn't say though. But it is this thing here. Here I got the plastic. That's really cool. And this is the zombie Superman. Look at that face. A face that only his mother would love. Superman. It's a collectible, but I don't want to do that. I love this hands here. The infected. Infected with what? There's no comic book series here, but there's a lot of comic books that came out, like zombie, Marvel zombies, DC zombies, so infected. I think with Marvel it's zombies, and with DC it's the infected. So cool. And thank you, BBTS. I got good stuff. Yeah, you can order online. Here you go. Iron Giant. Of course, Mafex. And I got a little sticker that goes to my car. And that's about it, folks. More boxes, more unboxing. See you next time.